Well, view in the background that way, so she must know where they at.
Co-host mom's house caught on fire. The sea is okay. Everybody's okay. Nobody was harmed, thank God. I don't know where they disappeared to. But yeah, everybody's okay. Man, the whole roof is gone, cuz. Look at this, man. This is all of this shit gone. Wow. Grease fire. Damn. Fuck. I ain't no firefighter, nigga. I'm coming upstairs after you, nigga. Just jump out the window.
For real. God damn. The whole kitchen. You good?
The fuck is you doing, bro? Why the fuck you act like you deaf and can't respond? Huh? Your mom's is calling you, cuz. She in the house, going upstairs and shit.
Hey, she wanna put me cause I'm next up. Been chasing them hoes, got my check up. Spent like 50 racks on the necklace. Got my money right, ain't nothing you can tell us. I'ma count out these bands by myself. Count 100 million, I ain't need no help.
Yo, what it is, Gun Smoke, YouTubers, Instagrammers. Like I said earlier, we're gonna be doing a small upgrade to this AR15 A1. We're gonna be doing a upgrade on the handguard. We're gonna be putting a SIG red dot. We'll be changing out this stock with a Daniel Defense. Callie couldn't be here tonight because he had a little family problems, which I might sing. Everything is okay. Everybody's all right. And prayers going out to the family. But Marcus, aka cameraman, will be sitting in for him today. And here my boy Marcus is. What's going on?
Gun Smoke.
All right, well, let's get started. So I want to I guess
we start with the
upgrade. Start with this. We're gonna be doing taking, like I said, this hand guard off and upgrading it with this M-Lock hand guard, extended one.
The AR-15.
I'll be able to put, some more decorations to it, flashlight, laser, whatever, that I couldn't as it is now. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna take this off. By doing that, I don't have the tool, but you don't need the tool. You can use your hand and just press down right here and pull out at the same time. Go ahead.
All right.
As so. This is a new handguard we're going with by M-Lock. Like I said, you see now you have more options with your gun as far as add-ons.
All right, so now does this one slide on, or are we doing the same thing where we just?
No, this is it's basically gonna be the same thing, except that you got a couple screws that you're gonna have to take out
to separate it.
Yeah, and then of course the same thing when you bring it back together. Let's put this on, and then it has screws to reinforce it. Unlike the other heat shield, it didn't. It just popped out. As you see how easy that was.
You gotta grab attention.
Okay, this one's at the bottom.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
It don't slide into place.
Yeah.
Yeah, this side's not in it though. There you go.
Is it down?
No, it's not even in. It's not in.
Oh
yeah, it's pulled down. I see. It's not in it. There you go.
There it goes. Okay, folks. She's looking better already. And then we're just gonna go ahead and
Bolt it down.
Bolt her down. But I'm not gonna put y'all through all of that. Okay, like I said, I didn't want to put y'all through all of that. But we're back and applying the last one. And after that, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure all of them are real nice and tight. Good. 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 That one's good, obviously. All right. And there you go. Look at her. Doesn't she look right already? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now, next will be this SIG red dot we have here.
God damn.
No. You can go ahead and Mount that girly on real quick. Here we go. While I go over here and mess around with this right here. What?
So what's this do?
Oh, turn it down.
Oh, okay.
Now this Daniel Defense stock came with two different grooves for your shoulder, and this is like a natural fit. It feels so natural and comfortable. I'm gonna take this one out and put this one in. You guys have a screwdriver down here, sir? Right there, yeah. Thank you. What?
I need a screwdriver too. Alright, so for this one, for this one, it takes a star screw.
No, I use that right there. The one I hand you.
This one, it don't fit in there.
Huh?
It don't fit.
So if I do it, then what?
What is that?
If I'm able to do it, then what?
Then you're teaching me.
How far you put that right there? Yeah, that's good.
You said you had, this is what you had, the 3.
I said that's good.
Nah, bro, I don't know how you did that.
What?
With that.
I didn't do it with this one. I did it with this one.
Okay.
Why weren't you using this one, buddy?
I was just that one too.
Yeah.
You don't got a star bit?
Oh, maybe this was the one. The hell?
That's what I said. Yep, this one.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead with the bell. You don't leave me no more. Is it on there, buddy? Well, check it out, buddy. Make sure it's on there nice.
Oh, it's on there.
Oh yeah, that feels so much natural. What are you trying to do there, buddy?
Take the stock off.
Okay, so what you want to do with that? Once you got it there, and you want to go no more, you want to go like this. Just pull that guy down a little more. Okay. Embarrass me.
No, it's like that.
Well, damn, bang, on, guys. Somebody don't want to come on. Interesting. Yo, the lights went out.
Yeah. Let me see. Sometimes you need more hand strips.
Go ahead, my friend.
Just don't go all the way.
Hmm?
So don't go all the way.
It does. What, that came out?
I thought it did.
What is that?
Yes.
Oh. Let me see.
It don't go all the way in though.
It does, my friend. You're just not doing it.
There you go.
See, my friend? And now we Daniel defense. It feels nice. Feels natural. Go ahead, tell me what it feels like.
That's nice. Feels good.
And I can say over there. That, my friends, is about it.
Extra piece for the
I don't like the way that feels. It feels more natural.
So all in all, we went from base model. So now we got a Daniel Defense stock. We got a
SIG red dot.
And we got a
M-lock extended hand shield. Shield guard. Same difference.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's about it. Keep your eyes on this because later on, most definitely we'll have a flashlight.
What, a magnifier?
I might be swapping this SIG onto my short barrel 5.56 and put the magnifier with the red dot on this one since it's a longer barrel, and see how that goes. And be looking out for other super safety or FRT getting dropped in here.
Yeah. Probably a super safety. We already saw it.
Yeah. And that's about it, y'all. Like I said, Kelly couldn't be here tonight. He had family issues to attend to. Keep him in your prayers. And good night. Gunsmoke.